yours. Galatians chapter 6, verse 5.
Now is the morning prayer. Close your eyes, bow your head, and pray.
Our Father in heaven, help us to honor your name. Come as a public kingdom, so that everyone on earth will obey you as you obey in heaven. Give us our food for today. Forgive us for doing wrong as we forgive others. Keep us from being tempted and protect us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen.
Please sit down.
I can't believe it's May already. I'm going to be a P6 student soon.
I know. I can't believe we only have 2 months left before school ends.
Wow, I love your orange sash.
Thank you.
I really want to become a prefect next year. How did you become a prefect?
They need to be responsible and show the teachers that you're trustworthy.
Well, how can I do that?
Let me give you a few examples. I'm going to get some of my friends to come and help. First, as a prefect, you have to make sure students are behaving themselves. If they're running, be stern and tell them the dangers of what they're doing. Give them a warning.
I'm late for class. But first I need to go to the bathroom.
Let's run.
Stop! You shouldn't run. It is very dangerous and you might crash into each other.
Okay, very sorry. Okay, so if they like running, I can tell them that they can go and find Mr. So. That way, they can run in the playground with Mr. So the whole day.
Kind of. But I think Mr. So might not be too happy with that. It will be sweating a lot,
Okay.
And let's just go on with the second one. Second, as a prefect, you have to make sure students aren't eating when the bell rings. You should stop. You shouldn't eat after the bell rings.
Okay, we're sorry. Okay, got it. So I can tell them if they like eating, they can finish all the extra lunch boxes that day.
Sort of, I guess, but you'd be really, really fat. Let's just go on to the third one. As a prefect, you have to make sure students are sitting properly before our morning assembly starts. Make sure they're not writing or playing at the desk. Stop. You shouldn't be talking when it is it's almost the assembly is almost starting. And also, you should sit down now.
Okay, we're sorry. Okay.
Then you'll be a really good prefect, like our head prefect. I believe you can do it. What's the matter?
It's not easy being a prefect. The lesson about the assembly is a bit hard. It's not easy getting students to sit still when they're busy collecting books.
Don't worry, I know the school tutor scheme have made your task much easier. Let's welcome Mr. Chris and Miss Koo on stage.
Oh, we've got new prefects here. You've got the right teacher. I mean, generally maybe next year apply for to be a prefect. Okay, wait for you.
Right, yes, so thank you, yes. We do have, we made a lot of nice videos for school tubers, it's called. Yeah, these past 2 years. Now, but we're missing something. We've always been wanting to do this. Do you know what it is, Miss Cool?
We've just made a jingle for morning assemblies.
Jingle for
Yeah.
morning assembly.
As the husband, the request.
Jingle bells, jingle bells,
Not the Christmas.
It's not jingle bell, jingle bell.
No. A jingle is a short tune, short video, music before the show, before something starts.
Right. So how about we play that video
Yeah,
together?
we show the jingle.
It shows the jingle, okay? Right.
Guys, nothing on your desk. Stop holding the homework now. Shh. Be quiet now.
Come on, everybody, get ready now. Our perfect performance starts right now. Come on and get ready to cheer up. Friday's assembly is coming up. You and I, it is the time to enjoy the show. Sit down, stop doing your thing. Nothing wrong, your desk, just sit proud like kids. Remember, don't talk around. Okay, then clap your hands and make a little sound. And for those sitting in the hall, it is the time to enjoy the show. You and I, it is the time to enjoy the show. You and I, it is the time to enjoy the
What do we call this video? We call it a jingle. Okay, let's say it together. Okay, it's a jingle. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, jingle.
Right, okay.
You've got a new word.
Yes, okay. A new word for which I hope we'll be playing that in morning assembly, and wow, it's awesome.
Yes. It's very wow, we've got this video, can be so amazing, or I would like you, to give big hands to.
No, listen, really, okay, not really, okay, thank you. Now, she's very important, to us, but also, I'll tell you something that's very important as well. What? There's a special day this Sunday. Does everybody know? What is it? It's Mother's Day, and I know the school, the junior journalists, they've also made a video for you guys to watch. Do you want to see it? Yeah, okay, go. So Mr. Kanye, your video.
Happy Mother's Day to the most amazing woman I know. Thank you, Mom. I love you because you have helped me in Chinese writing and for carrying me. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi Mom, you cook curry with chicken wings for me. It is just the best. Even though you were very tired. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you for cooking for me. Thank you for flying me at home. Everything you give me is great. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for your endless love, patience, and everything you do for our family. I wouldn't be who I am without you.
I love you, Mom, my forever friend.
No shit yet? Alright, okay guys, we are here because of our moms and dads, of course, but moms, okay, so I really want you guys on Sunday to say Happy Mother's Day to your lovely moms, okay? They've done a lot for us, they've done a lot for me, okay? They've done a lot for me as well. So, yes. Can we all say Happy Mother's Day, guys? Happy Mother's Day. And remember, today is Friday, so we have to speak in. Lovely. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Come up. Can we give a wonderful applause to these wonderful MCs today? Yeah, they worked really hard. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's all go on the Sunday. Bye, Dominion. Bye.